In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an existing Shopify page using Shogun. This guide is perfect for anyone looking to customize their e-commerce site with ease and precision. Let's dive right into it. First, fire up your web browser and head over to Shopify. You'll need to access your Shopify account, so if you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that now. Enter your credentials to access your admin dashboard, where you can manage all aspects of your online store. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Shogun dashboard, which is seamlessly integrated into your Shopify experience. From your Shopify admin, locate the Shogun app. This integration is incredibly helpful because it allows you to make dynamic changes with minimal hassle. Upon opening the Shogun app, you will be greeted with a clean and intuitive dashboard. To find the page you want to edit, use the search bar located at the top of this screen. Input the page name, and you'll quickly be brought to the page you wish to customize. Now that you've located your page, click on it. From here, you have a couple of options. Either click the Edit with Shogun button, or use the More Actions menu to open the page in the visual editor. In some cases, simply clicking on the page name might bring you to the editor as well. As the Shogun editor loads, you'll notice a variety of handy elements available in the right sidebar. These are the building blocks of your page and include items like headings, images, text boxes, and structural blocks, all ready for you to drag and drop. The visual nature of Shogun makes it easy to make edits, whether you're adding new content or rearranging existing elements. Customize your layout to better suit your brand's aesthetic or functionality goals. Once you're satisfied with the changes you've made, it's important to save and publish them. That's as easy as clicking the Save button, followed by Publish. Doing this updates your Shopify page with the new look or features you've implemented through Shogun. That's it. You've successfully edited your Shopify page using Shogun. This powerful tool not only enhances your ability to customize your store, but also empowers you to make quick changes as your business and design needs evolve. Remember, the key to a great site is thoughtful customization paired with a user-friendly design. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.